Everyone, so this time I would like you to teach how to change decimal to fraction. So this time the decimal that I will change to fraction is a repeating decimal. So in number 1 example, so 4 is keeps on repeating. So 0.4444 and so on. What about in number 2? So this is also a repeating decimal where the 2 digit is repeated. So 0.151515 and so on. Same with number 3, 6.2424. So there is a vinculum. So 24 here is repeated. For number 4, we have 3 digit is repeated. So 0.375 So how are we going to express decimal to fraction? So first, so in number 1 decimal, repeating decimal, so there is only one number that is keeps on repeating, and that is 4. So in this case, so you will write 4 as the numerator and our denominator is 9. Always make the denominator equal to 9 if there is only one number that is repeated. So that is 4 over 9. So 4 over 9 is already the equivalent fraction to 0.444 and 4 and so on. So if to check, so 4 divided by 9 is equivalent to 0.444, which is a repeating decimal. So what about in number 2? So in number 2, so still this is a repeating decimal. So there is 2-digit number that is repeated, and that is 15, 15, and 15. So 0.15, 15, 15. So if that is the case, then there are 2 digit that is repeated, which is 15. So 15 this time, so instead of 9, so I will make the denominator 99. So 99 is the denominator to be used if there are 2 digit that is repeated in the repeating decimal. Then after this, so you're going to change this to lowest term and divide that by the greatest common factor. And the greatest common factor for 15 and 99 is 3. Because there is 3 in 15, also there is 3 in 99. So therefore, I will divide 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then 99 divided by 3 is 33. So the equivalent fraction to 0.15, 15, 15 is 5 over 33. So let us use the calculator to check whether 5 over 33 is equal to 0.1515. So 5 divided by 33 is equivalent to 0.1515, which is a repeating decimal. So for number 3 example, so there is a digit at the left of the decimal point, so I will write this as a mixed number. So if there is a number at the left of the decimal point, so always this is a mixed number. So what is that? Will serve as the numerator. So that 24 will be the numerator. So there are 2 digits that is repeated, and that is 24. Since there are 2 digits that is repeated, so I will make the denominator 99. Then change this to lowest term. The fraction itself will be changed to lowest term, and I will divide this by 3 again because 3 is the greatest common factor for 24 and 99. So that 3 will be divided to 24, not by 6. So just copy 6 as the counting number in the mixed number. So 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 99 divided by 3 again is 33. So 6 and 8 over 33 is the equivalent fraction to 6.2424. So I will check. So 8 divided by 33 is 0.2424 plus 6. So that is 6.2424. So for number 4, which is my last example, so there are 3 digits that is repeated. So therefore, I will make the 375 as my numerator, and my denominator this time is 999. So the 9 depends on how many digit is repeated. So if there is 1 digit that is repeated, so your denominator is 9. If there are 2 digits, same with numbers 2 and 3, so the denominator of the fraction will be 99. If there are 3 digit which is repeated in the given decimal, so you will use 3 9s as your denominator, or 999. So after this, so you will divide this by the greatest common factor. And the greatest common factor, again, for this two numbers is 3. So I will divide 375 divided by 3 is equivalent to 125 over 999 divided by 3 is 333. Therefore, the equivalent fraction for 0.375375 is 125 over 333. So let us check. So 125 divided by 333 is equivalent to 0.375375. So that is how to change decimal to fraction. So thank you and God bless.